Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GCP Google Cloud Platform. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So today we are going to discuss which one is more expensive, GCP or the AWS. Okay, so let's get started. You will want to compare the pricing between the AWS and the GCP depending on your configuration needs. In some cases, AWS can be more cost effective option. For other purposes, GCP can be more affordable. To do that, we recommend using the AWS pricing calculator or Google Cloud pricing calculator to calculate your needs. According to it, it will give you the pricing. It is not simple yes or no. The cost of either GCP or AWS depends on the several factors specific to your usage. Both platforms offer pay as you go model, making it hard to declare definite winner without understanding your requirements. Let's explore some key concept. First one, that is pricing model. GCP employs a subscription based model for some services. Alongside the usual pay as you go, this can be advantageous for predictable workloads with consistent users. AWS primarily leans on a strict pay as you go model, charging only for the resources you use. This can be beneficial for bursty or unpredictable workloads for specific services. Okay, next we have the compute. Okay, specific services compute. AWS generally offers more raw compute power at specific price points, while GCP might seem costlier upfront. However, GCP services like sustained use discounts and printable VMs can significantly reduce cost for consistent or flexible loads. Next, we have a storage. Both platforms offer competitive storage options like object storage, block storage. GCP cold line storage can be significantly cheaper for rarely accessed data compared to the AWS Glacier. Networking. Costs can vary depending on your data transfer needs. Chosen regions. GCP offers flat rate egress pricing in some regions, which might be advantageous in the high traffic applications. Other factors. Then we have a free tiers. Both platforms offer the generous free tiers for the experimentation and the limited use. Discounts. Volume discounts, committed use of discounts, and specific program benefits can be significantly impact the cost. Management expertise. GCP, simpler, more integrated design might require less operational overhead compared to AWS broader and more complex services landscape. Ultimately, the cost effectiveness depends on the specific workload, usage patterns, and the desired features. Here are some resources that you can estimate the compare the cost. That is the price calculator, GCP price calculator, and the AWS price calculator. Then you can calculate, and then you can think which one is cheaper and which one is the best. Best, I have already mentioned, like what they are going to be provided. Okay, so if you want like something like I want, let's just WordPress or something, so compare the prices. Like if you have 100 users which can be the load balancer, have much more ability to handle the loads, so you can do a test, and which one is better, then you can act accordingly and choose accordingly. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. And the next video, we are going to learn how to create a Google Cloud GCP free account. Okay, so now we are going to the stepping ahead for creating the Google account, then how to create a VM instance, how to assign the IP addresses, how to create a WordPress, Node.js, React, Angular, how to deploy this kind of stuff, and how to assign something, networking and IP addresses, connecting to the SSH, to the local machine, how to connect to the FTP. We are going to all these things we are going to learn in the coming series and much more. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.